Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to get cashback in Rakuten. Firstly, of course, the obvious steps are visiting Rakuten.com or downloading the app, and of course signing up or logging in. After that, step 2, find a store, use the search bar to look for your favorite online store or browse through categories. Rakuten partners with thousands of retailers offering cashback. Step 3, activate it. Click on the store's link within Rakuten to activate the cashback offer. You'll be redirected to the retailer's website, and after that you can just shop as usual, add items to your cart and complete your purchase on the retailer's website. Ensure your Rakuten account remains logged in during this process. After that, get paid. Once your purchase is confirmed by the retailer, your cashback will appear in your Rakuten account. And guys, a few reminders: always start shopping session from Rakuten to ensure your purchase qualifies for cashback. Use the same email for Rakuten and your retailer accounts for smoother tracking. Enjoy earning while you shop. Enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support our channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribing. See you next time.